In this video, we're starting a new series of technical myth-busting in trading. Candidate number 1, Best TradingView Indicator for Strong Buy and Sell Signals. You can find the link to the original video in the description. In this episode, we will precisely reproduce the recommended settings, turn the indicators into a single trading strategy, and see whether it's actually possible to make money with it. Let's get started. Setup. For this test, we're using two indicators: Trend Following Volatility Trail, Alpha-Weighted RSI. We take the code of the first indicator as the base. Then we combine both indicators into one strategy and apply exactly the same settings as recommended by the original author. The strategy logic is as follows. When a long signal appears from the first indicator, we check that the RSI value from the second indicator is above 0. The candle must close in the direction of the long. The stop loss is placed beyond the previous swing of the last 20 candles. Personally, I would prefer an ATR-based stop, but in the original video, the stop is defined using market structure, so we stick to that. For short signals, we do the exact opposite. Once the rules are fully implemented, we run the strategy. Results. Here is the result of the initial test: a total loss of more than $13,000, a win rate of roughly 33%, a profit factor below 1. Does this look like a robust, profitable strategy? Obviously not. But let's give it a fair chance. We now scroll through other timeframes and rerun the strategy. All major timeframes are showing negative backtest results. Next, we apply the same logic to other instruments: Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Pepsi, Moderna, Google, and Intel. The only case with a somewhat positive result is Lockheed Martin, but even there, the win rate is only about 43%, and the equity curve is far from stable, even though the profit factor is slightly above 1. Conclusion. So, we have tested this idea on several time frames and across different instruments. Based on these tests, the claim, Best TradingView Indicator for Strong Buy and Sell Signals, is not supported by the data. In its current form, the strategy produces unstable and, in most cases, losing performance. For our AlgoMythBuster series, the verdict for this candidate is myth not confirmed.